to sit here. If we have a visitor, so we're going to sit here, guys. Everyone, it's me again, Filipina Unique, and for today's video, guys, is I'm gonna do a boarding house tour. So first, guys, that's the main road in our apartment. If you're going to walk from the main road, is I think 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute. So and without further ado, let's get started and hope you enjoy this video. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So this is our apartment. When you kanang outside, guys, so you can see a gate, and yeah, let's go, everyone. And here, so we are going to park our motorcycle here, and this is my motorcycle, and this is my sister motorcycle, and this is my motor cover. I did not use right now because it's cloudy. Yeah, I did not use, and that's my sister motor cover, and this is the you don't know. And this is the kuan, guys. We're going to put here our garbage. And this is my sister bicycle and plants, and we're going to hang our clothes here and outside. Okay. And then we have here shoe rack. We're going to put our shoes here. And let's go inside, guys. Hawahay na. So let's go inside. So this is our bag stand. We're going to put our bag here, and this is luggage. This is my sister luggage and bag, and this is my yoga mat, and this is mirror, and of course, a green curtain. Yeah, skincare, and this is our if we're doing a grocery, we're going to put here our kind of groceries like biscuits, yeah, biscuits and soap and corned beef, yeah, something like that. And then this is my this is my cutting equipment for the exercise, everyone. That's my dumbbell. Yeah. And we have here a drawer. This is mine, and this is my sister, and this is my sister drawer, Filipina MG vlog, and this is we put our important things like papers, like birth certificate, something like that, and we're going, and of course helmet. We're going to put here, and toys, a really big toy, and refrigerator, and we have here a coach. Yeah, we're going to sit here. If we have a visitor, so we're going to sit here, guys. And we have here a refrigerator as well. The inside of our refrigerator is ice candy and ice and frozen food because my sister is selling ice candy. And we have here electric fan and Wi-Fi and extension. And we have here a T-ball. And this is my protein. And this is my tumbler. And here we're going to put our this drainer here, guys, and that's our water and heater. And we put seasonings here, guys. Yeah, and this one. And we have here aircon as well, everyone, in our apartment. And this one is sofa bed. We're going to use this one in the morning, sofa, then in the evening bed, because this is a transformer bed one, guys. According to according to our viewers, if I do a live stream, I forgot, and this is my laptop. I'm going to put here because there's no space na, everyone. And we have here a Bluetooth as well. If we're gonna do a karaoke, we're going to use a laundry basket. And trash can. So let's go inside, guys, of our bathroom. So this is our bathroom. Alam kayo pakita ko. This is our bathroom here, guys. So we have a drum and cleaning for the bathroom, and this one basin if we're gonna do a laundry. Sorry, we have a mirror here as well, and joy if we're gonna do washing the dishes. So this is our sink, everyone. And then we're going to hang our clothes here after we wash our clothes. Yeah. I think that's all, and let's go to uh kitchen. Kitchen, guys. Okay, padol. Yeah, so we're going to cook here, and then we're going to put our like vinegar, salt, oil, and Solver's one soy sauce. And we're going to wash here, guys. And this is our pan. So how much we paid, guys, is 3,000 pesos per month for the rent of our apartment. I mean boarding house. And not including the water bills and electric bill. And I think that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. And if you are new here to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Bye-bye!